Do you want to make a custom proximity prompt like this one? Well, you've come to the right place. Start by adding a part. Move it and set its transparency to 1. Add a proximity prompt to the part. Make sure to set the style to custom. Now add a billboard GUI and starter GUI. Set its header need to the part. And the size to 4010. Now add 3 text labels. For the first text label, name, button size 0.5010. For the second text label, name, action text size 0.75,0,0.5,0 position 0.2500. For the third text label, name, object name a position 0.5,0,0.5,0 size 0.75,0,0.5,0. Now add a frame inside the button. For the frame name, progress background color, black transparency 0.5 size 10. Now you can design it to your liking. Now add a local script inside your billboard. Gets the UI, Tweenservice references. Proximity prompt handling. Show you when prompt appears. Hide you when prompt disappears. Animate progress bar while holding the prompt. Reset progress bar if hold ends early. Apply to all prompts. Remove the header knee. And try it out. As you can see, it's working. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.